Chacha. In this video, we are going to learn how to construct tangent or tangent construction. Now, before going to tangent construction, we are going to learn what is tangent. First of all, take a point on the blackboard and with the distance between these two edges, that is radius, we have to draw a circle. Circle is a set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point. So this is circle. Now we can name this circle with the name of center. So this is circle with center O. Now if we draw a line which touches the circle in one and only one point, then that line is called as tangent. So the point where that line touches the circle is called as point of contact. So we can name it with the letter P. Then this is the radius from point of contact. So the radius from point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent line. That is the tangent property. So in this way we can go through the concept of tangent. So we can do the tangent construction first with using center, and the second way of construction of tangent is without using center. So first is with using center. That means in that case we have to use the center of circle. So the examples vary with the radius. So here we are going to take one example. So a circle with a specific radius I have taken, and I have noted the center of this circle as O. Now if we take any point on the circle, that is K, then we have to draw the line, tangent line passing through this point K. So for that, here we have to draw a ray OK. We have to draw a ray OK in this way. After drawing this ray OK, we have to take the radius segment, and at the same time we have to mark on other side of radius OK and name it as point M. Now here OM is a segment. We have to draw perpendicular bisector of OM that will pass through point M, because point K is midpoint of OM. So it will pass through K, and we are drawing perpendicular bisector. That means that will form right angle at the point of contact. Therefore here we have to draw perpendicular bisector construction. So for that, the steps we know: take more than half distance as radius, draw arcs on both sides of segment OM in this way, intersect it from other point, and after that we have to draw a line passing through these two points of intersections. So this is a tangent line which is intersecting at point K, or we can say it is just touching at point K. So this is a tangent line. So in this way we can draw a tangent to the circle from any point K on the circle. Now we are going to see other construction, that is without using center. Now here the examples will vary with respect to radius. या ठिकाणी आपण जर समजा 3 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस घेतली असेल तर दुसरं एखादं उदाहरण आपल्याला परीक्षेत विचारलं जाऊ शकतं की ज्यामध्ये 3.5 घेतली जाऊ शकते, 4 घेतली जाऊ शकते किंवा इतर कोणतीही रेडियस घेऊन त्या पद्धतीनं गणित विचारलं जाऊ शकतं. आता यानंतर दुसरा भाग आहे विदाउट युजिंग सेंटर. तर त्यासाठी पहिल्यांदा आपण एक वर्तुळ काढणार आहोत. This example is many times asked in the exam, so be careful with this example. Now here I have drawn a circle with center O, but I am not going to use the center of this circle. So in that case, suppose I have to draw a tangent at this point K. Now in this case, what we have to do, we have to take other 2 points anywhere on the circle. या ठिकाणी दोन कोणतेही पॉइंट घ्यायचे आणि या तिन्ही पॉइंट्स ना जोडून घ्यायचं जेणेकरून ट्रायंगल तयार होतो. आणि या ठिकाणी कन्स्ट्रक्शन करत असताना ऑब्झर्वेशन चांगल्या पद्धतीने केलं पाहिजे. कोणतीही रेष ही डबल ओढली जात नाही किंवा त्याला गिरवलं जात नाही, हे बारकावे आपल्याला माहित असणं गरजेचं आहे. So in this way we get a triangle. We can name these 2 points as L and M. Now here we are going to use the concept of angles in alternate segment, which we studied in the lesson circle. Now if I am going to consider this angle M, that time the angle on this side of K or KL will be angle in the alternate segment. Now if the angles in alternate segment are congruent, then the line which is passing through point K will be tangent to the circle. So here we have to use the construction of congruent angles. So for that, here we have to take some radius and draw arc in this way. With the same radius, we have to draw arc intersecting segment KL. Now after that, taking one point as center, we have to intersect other point in this way, and the same step we have to follow here. Here we get one point of intersection. So that point of intersection and point K we have to join with a line, and that line will be tangent to the circle. So in this way we can draw tangent to the circle without using center. So these two constructions are very important with respect to exam, because these examples can be asked for 2 marks. But we have to be careful with the word with and without. If the example is given using with, we have to use these steps. If it is with without, we have to use these steps for the construction.